Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, July 7th. Nice finish. Beautiful up bar all the way blasting past the 105 into the 106 mark. The beginning of a perfect gap fill from even this higher swing low we were trying to put in. After a serious lower swing low, again just a daily chart of the SPY. If you zoom in intraday, even a 60-minute chart shows a huge move all the way up to the declining 200 MA. On a 15-minute chart, still kind of working its way higher here, but just a very, very solid move all the way from where we talked about it at noon. It's 104.50 area resistance. 104 briefly, broke that, became support, even broke this and became support, blasted through 105 and 106, still heading higher. So pretty incredible. Working up into this perfect gap fill like we talked about, a little more clear on a 60-minute chart. Right through here is a great area of resistance to watch out for right now after a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bar run up on a 60-minute chart. Great volume print on the daily, however. The volume actually isn't as great as it could have been. To confirm that, it's about average as of late, and so I'd be taking a special note of that. If we were to close the day, the week right now, we would have a nice inside day, if you want to call it that, or bullish harami, and interesting to see this fully contained within the highs and lows of that previous candle. So lots of overhead resistance still exists, but putting a little bit of a dent, if you call it that, into the sell-off we've seen. After a significant sell-off like this, a 50% retrace into this gap fill around the 108 mark is definitely another area to watch out for. So 106 and change resistance, along with 107.50 and 108 right through here. Good things to watch out for on the way up. What I'm mostly keen about is the way that the trend finished up. Very solidly bullish all day long, but toward the end of the day got a little bit overbought in some people's eyes, including my own. So be very, very careful about going long into this. The trend Q also not quite as dramatic, but solidly bullish almost all day long after bleeding out below 0.8. So that's fantastic. And the VIX, bit of a divergence here right around noon. Something to watch out for as the markets were putting in a double top. This guy was putting in a higher swing low, so something to watch out for. But this guy also bled out again all the way down to 27. So that's powerful confirmation after a bit of a consolidation here. So good stuff. At least we get good confirmation, and that is a great move in one day. All the way back up to 106.50 now, from a mark of about 102.50 and 102 pre-market. Mostly aided by financial and material shares, and this 200-point gain in Dow roughly brought to you by those. So good stuff. Hope you guys had a great trading day today, and that you were able to enter with relative safety, keeping protective stops and whatnot. And look forward to talking to you tomorrow morning, see how things are shaping up. Remember those trends are a little bit at an overbought level, so watch the open especially. But I'll be with you to see how things are shaping up, like I said, and we'll talk to you then. Take care, everybody.